Hey, the family. Look who it is. I know, right? I've been gone for a minute. Sorry. I don't want to say I'm back for good. I am basically back whenever I have the time to film videos. I did a basic get ready with me doing this look right here. It's very basic. Sorry, not much details in the video where I discuss where I've been, what's been holding me back, why I've been so inactive here on the tube. And it's basically my job, my everyday work job. But if you want to watch that video, I'll link it for you guys to see this little get ready with me. We can see exactly what I have on my face, and I chit chat a little bit about where I have been. With that said, I'm here today to live up to the promise that I made you guys over maybe like 2 months now, a month, 2 months, where I did my 8-year anniversary videos, and I told you guys to ask me questions in the comment section, and I was going to answer those questions. So I'm back today to answer those questions, and hopefully I can, oh, the shirt just opened up. Hopefully I can answer all of the questions for you. Don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to pull out my phone and start reading the comments and answering them as best as I can. But first and foremost, thank you guys so much for the love that you guys showed me in that video. I really, really appreciate it. I know I don't make as much hair videos as you guys might want me to. I haven't made hair videos in a while, but thank you for continuing to support me when I do. I really appreciate it. So first comment is from Betty Boop 79, Miss Craig, and it says, you and your hair are beautiful. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I love it. Thank you so much. Shametrius Long. Question is, what size are your locks now? As far as the size of my locks, I'm not 100% sure because some of them are smaller than the others. So picture a makeup brush if you have one, and my locks are a little bit smaller than the typical makeup brush. What else can I compare it to? I don't know what else to compare it to. Like for example, this one is much smaller than the one I just showed you. This one is definitely like more than half the size of a makeup brush. And in case you don't have a makeup brush, I have a pen. And I'll show you again. This is the pen, and this is my locks. So definitely smaller than a pen, much smaller. Some are bigger, some are smaller. This one is smaller than the one I just showed you. This is another smaller one. Do I have the big one? I have one of my biggest ones. I'm trying to find it. I always lose it. But even the biggest one, I don't think is the size of a pen yet. So they're still pretty small, pretty micro, but this is the best I can show you. Oopsie. Yeah, they're still pretty small. That's the best example I can give you. Next question. S. Harris. Hello. I'm new to your channel. I've had sister locks for 15 months. I know you don't consider yourself having them anymore, but I still feel connected to your videos. I have plenty to catch up on. LOL. Thank you. Yeah, I don't consider myself having sister locks for a few reasons. You know, I don't, by definition, sister locks have a strict definition on their website, and I don't follow all those rules, so I break all the rules, so I don't have sister locks. But thank you. I hope you caught up on videos. If you have any other questions, leave them below. I try to answer them for you. But thanks for the love. Appreciate it. Aw, I missed all these loves. Najee says, gorgeous. Yes, Najee, ton up bud. Thank you for that comment. Robin Fraser, you are fabulous. Oh, this one, I miss you guys. I love it. This video made me smile. I love the accent when it comes through strong. Looking forward to more videos. Blessing. Robin, but thank you for that. I like you love my accent. We come up with it once and we can't control it. Just come up with it once. But thank you for the love. I appreciate it. I'm glad I was able to make you smile. Your comment is just brightening up my day right about now. Robin, yeah, the real MVP. Pick up yourself. Blessed to be married, happy and blessed, said beyond beautiful. All right. I mean, thank you. I'm getting a lot of comments here. Thank you. Black Queen. Hey, Black Queen. She says, happy anniversary. Your true date was my daughter's 15th. Oh, happy born day to her. Your hair is so beautiful. I've been locked since June 1st, 2017, and I'm excited to see what mine will be like in 8 years. In 8 years, be ridiculously long. Hair gonna be flowing. Life is gonna be flourishing, Black Queen. Your hair is gonna be blown in the wind. Life is gonna be good. You're gonna be living your best life, just doing you. That's what's gonna happen in 8 years. I got you. I already know. Natural Annie Essentials. Mwah, I love you so much. Girl, you are stunning. Thank you so much. My sister locks took a good 3 days. Well, I mentioned in the video that my hair took about 2 days or so to get installed when I first had sister locks. So she's saying that hers took 3 years. 3 days. Wow, Addie. Okay. She loves light. Hey, congratulations, beautiful hair. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I love her. Kai Wilson, when you said you got it to the length check. So she put all these emojis like 100% yes, hearts, because I don't do many length checks, but the fact that I did it for you guys and I made sure I did it when my hair was straight, she loved it. So I'm glad you appreciated that, Kai. See, I knew, I didn't know somebody was going to appreciate that length check. So thank you for appreciating my length check. I appreciate you appreciating my length check. Thank you. Miss D Natural says, I don't know why people count their locks. Why does it matter? Some people do, some people don't. That's their, I don't know. Some people like to. Have you ever cut it? As far as cutting my hair, like a bob cut or like a really short cut, no. But most of the time when I wash my locks, I do trim the ends. I don't like to see like the ends if they look funny or they look too thin to me. I do trim the ends. I trim the ends a few times when I wash my hair. How long does it take you to wash your hair and retwist? I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I don't retwist every time. I retwist maybe once every few months, to be honest. I don't do it all the time. To wash my hair in the shower, it takes a good... I never really timed myself because when I wash my hair, I do a whole bunch of other stuff in the shower. I put on a face mask. I know I do girly stuff. I shave my legs. I do a whole bunch of stuff. You know, so it's like a whole process. I'm in that bathroom for like... And plus I have music playing, so you know when music is playing in the bathroom, you take dance breaks up in the shower, just dancing and singing. So the actual hair washing time, I don't know. Okay, let me just think about it. Just think about it. I would say 15-20 minutes. Really? No, not that long. Maybe 15 minutes? 10-15 minutes? No, not that long. I would say 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes just to wash. It's just to wash it because I condition my hair at least 3 to 4 times. Not condition, lie. I shampoo my hair at least 3 to 4 times. Then I wash it out. Yeah. Then I dry. Yeah, it's about 10 minutes, the washing part. Retwisting, if I do decide to retwist, which I rarely do, that will take about an hour. Hour and a half. What I do most of the time though is after I wash my hair, I do a 2-strand twist like this, and this takes me about 2 hours to do. So that's usually my routine. Wash, 2-strand twist, and call it a day. And this 2-strand twist takes me about 2 hours to do. Hopefully that helps. All right, next question from Lil Miss Friends, Lock Beauties UK. Your locks are beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much for the love. Marcia Johnson, stunningly beautiful, sis. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. AJ Locks. Girl, let's talk about where you got that necklace. Which necklace was I wearing in that video? It's been so long. Let me see. Oh, that necklace. That's the choker. Love that necklace. I got that necklace from TonyDaily.com. TonyDaily.com. That's where I got that necklace from. Love it and beautiful locks. Thank you so much. Next comment is from Patrice Spiffy Gal, B-Spiffy-B-U. Congrats, beautiful lady. Your hair looks amazing. Thanks, Patrice. Appreciate that, Patty. Mizabin Pinky, you're gorgeous. Love your hair. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Sorva M says, hey, I don't wear much makeup, but I do watch. I really love your hair. When you combine your locks, do you still try to keep your straight parts larger or grid? Basically, do I try to keep my parts in my grid? When I first did the first combination years ago, I tried to keep the grid, but then I gave up. I'm like, when I do decide to combine, like let's say I find a lock that I want to combine with another lock, I do try to find a lock that will help me keep my part, but if I don't worry about it. It's just in the front, I'll be more particular about it so that I can, as you can see, I still don't have a straight part in the front. Wait, can I can make a straight part in the front. Wait, I know I can. Wait a minute, let me show you all. Yeah, I think this is my front straight part. Well, this is the best I can make the straight. No, I can make a better part. Wait a minute. Can I? Nah, I think this is it. But this is the best front straight part I can make. But I try in the front to do as best as I can. It's not always perfect, but I don't worry about it anymore. I don't. I try, but if I can't. Miss Malika 64, congrats on 8 years of locks. Thank you very much. Your locks look amazing. And what did you use to set the crinkles? As usual, the same style all the time. 2-strand twist after I wash my hair. Leave it overnight, dry it, take it out. We good to go. Colored Relax 1982 says, do you have a picture montage from 1 year to now? From year 1 to now? I do have pictures, but it'll take me a while to do the montage. Not that I'm saying I can never do it. It's just, it will be a process. So I would have to work on that. I would like to see that. Do you find your locks to be heavy? Like right now, no. I don't find them to be heavy at all. Only when I wet my hair, like I'm washing my hair and the water hits it and it's really, you know, soaked up with water, then I find it to be heavy. But like this, nope. Have you ever done a major cut? No.
Powering off.
Oh, okay. Sorry, the speaker was done. She doesn't want to be a part of this video, so she powered off. Not that I was using her, but okay. No, I never did a major cut on my locks. I just trim the ends when I need to. Latoya Hudson. Hey! Toya, what's going on? Oh, she's gonna kill me. I'm sorry, I'm so late to see this comment. You are glowing. I'm loving it. Details, please. My girl. Toya, don't be mad. I'm sorry. But I have to look at this video to see what I was wearing. I know for sure. Let me give you some details. I know for sure. For sure, I was wearing my Laws of Nature foundation. My Laws of Nature Cosmetics foundation. Definitely wearing that. Eyeshadow. I can't tell. I think I was using the let me play. One second. 2010. I started. They were started as sisterlocks. I had sisterlocks installed. Had sisterlocks. The eyeshadow was this everyday eyeshadow palette. I used, I think, just 1, 2 of these 3 colors right here. That is from Brown Leaf Cosmetics. I used the Move blush from the Green Beauty for Us. The Move Cosmetics. The blush I had on was from Move Cosmetics. And I got that blush from my Green Beauty for Us spring box. And the highlight was from Brown Leaf Cosmetics in the shade Orange Sorbet. And I definitely spritzed my face with my Plain Jane Beauty Coconut Water Setting Mist. This gives me a good, nice glow as well. So this could be it combined with everything else. That's all I can remember. Sorry. Next comment is from Maz777 Naturals. Ooh, nice long comment. Water, yes. Because I preach about how I drink a lot of water and that helps to hydrate my locks and my skin. I started my locks on her birthday. Well, happy belated birthday. See, I missed these comments. I'm sorry, March 14th was your birthday. Happy belated, my love. I hope you enjoyed your birthday. I don't mind your longer videos. I mentioned that in the video that I didn't want to make the videos too long because I don't know if you guys will still watch, but I guess y'all like the longer videos. Well, at least you do. Yes, she remembers when I had the different colors in my hair. Like right now I'm sticking to black, but I do color my hair occasionally in the past. Right now I'm still riding out with the black. Congrats on your lockversary again. Thank you so much, my love. Stay jamming, yo. Every time I look, you change your YouTube name. I'm like, who's that? I remember who it was. First question, the only question is, do you have any spiritual connection to your hair? I haven't seen all of your hair videos, so you might have talked about these things before, but I know that I'll lock my hair sometime in the future. And I remember bringing it to my mom when she said that because I struggle with the job market personally, I don't want to have a job if they don't accept for my locks. Do you have any stories with personal experiences? Okay, wait. Let Let me answer the first question first, and then I'm jumping ahead of myself. First question first. The first question you asked was, do you have a spiritual connection to your hair? It's hard to answer. Like, I am attached to my hair. I'm connected to my hair. Spiritual connection, I don't want to say no, because it's not like, it's hard to explain. Like, I won't say that my hair is like spiritual. Like, for example, oh wow, that is a hard question to answer. Like, I'm not saying I would never cut my locks. Like, that's not up for discussion. I might cut it one day. So that's not something I'm not holding on to it for any spiritual reasons. I might cut it one day, and when that happens, it's just gonna happen. So I might cut it one day. It's just, I do feel very connected to my locks though. I don't know how to explain that. Like, I love it. I love showing it. I embrace it. I think it makes me beautiful. It makes me happy. I think it's just me personally. I try not to have any spiritual connection to anything to anything inanimate. Like, you know, it's like clothes, my hair, it's like a statue, like, you know, I don't want a spiritual connection like that. I rather spiritual connections more of an emotional, soulful kind of thing. Like, my hair is just my hair. It doesn't, I'm a spiritual person, but not because of anything that my hair does. I don't know if that makes sense. But nothing inanimate, like, you know, I don't know. But that's the best way I can answer it. The next question she has was, she was asking about the job market, about do I have any issues with the job market with my hair? Do you have any stories with your personal experiences with ignorant people and experiencing growth in confidence and self-love through your hair? As far as work is concerned, and I've done videos on this in the past as well, I work in corporate America. I work for a high net worth company. I don't have any issues with my hair. I've never had an issue. Like I said before in my Get Ready With Me video, the reason why I've been away from YouTube is because I recently went through a lot with my job. Good things, like really good things. Like, I was up there with the VPs. Not to give you too much information, but I was doing a lot of work with them, filming for the company. I work in a finance company. I got a promotion recently, a few months ago in February, which is what kept me from my job, which is what kept me from YouTube. And then I'm in the works of getting another promotion again right now. I don't have, me personally, and it could be for many different reasons. It could be because of where I live in New York. Things are more acceptable in New York than in other states. Could be because, you know, the size of my locks. It could be because of the maintenance of my locks. But me personally, I've never had any like crazy issues with my job. I've had crazy stories though from random people that want to touch my hair, want to smell my hair, want to eat my hair. I have weird questions, not weird, but people, of course, you know, when asked how often do I wash my hair, is it my hair, is it real? Stuff like that. That is just comical. And you love my content. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I think that is it. I didn't get much questions this go around like I expected. I got more comments and more love, and I really, really appreciate that. Like, you guys don't know, your love, your positivity, your comments is what keeps me going, because without that, this is just a dead channel. It really is. Without your comments, your interaction, this is a dead channel, and we don't want a dead channel. But thank you guys so much. I finally got to answer your questions. Sorry it took me so long, but just bear with me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.